Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a spit roasted holiday ham at the pit. And it's easy to do. Actually, it's not a holiday ham. It's a easy to find, very inexpensive ham. This is a butt ham or shoulder ham. And we start out by rubbing it down with a little bit of mustard. Then we're going to take some fresh ground black peppercorn and rub it all over this ham. Oh yeah, you gotta have the black peppercorn, right? Now, this is a bone-in ham, which most of you know, right? So to get it on the spit, we're gonna get your fancy-ass hand drill here, and we're gonna put a hole right through it, just like that. I think it's about a 3-inch bit, right? Then we'll put the spit through it. We'll lock it in with the forks. You know all about doing this, right? Oh, man. Load it on the grill. Simple enough. We'll have a temperature of about 325, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll let it go. It doesn't take long. Remember, these are pre-cooked hams, water cured, right? So you just want to bring them up to temperature, right? And then while you're waiting, hit it with some of your favorite sauce. Barbecue sauce. It could be a plum sauce. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Just load it on. This will bring on additional flavor, right? Oh, perfect. Now, a little time is gone by. Keep an eye on this. Whoa, take a look at that. Turn an ordinary cheap piece of ham into a glorious holiday meal, if you know what I'm saying. Just hit it with a little bit of smoke, get a nice glaze on it. Whoa, this one's done. Now read the packaging so you get the internal temperature right. But this one's ready. Pull it off the spit. Now this is the part we all wait for, right? This might take a couple hours to do, more or less, right? Oh, man. Let's take a few slices. Ooh, this is a holiday. Oh, man. Now, you can feed a bunch of people with this cut, right? Oh. You add some fancy-ass taters and beans and sides to this. You got yourself a holiday meal. So to get the recipe, head on over to our website. And while you're there, sign up for Chapter. It's free. We'd be proud to have you. And remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.